Hearty welcome to the video series Let Us Learn to Lead, video series on open source software prepared by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Self-learning contents in video form on GeoGebra dynamic mathematics software is presented in this video series. The contents can be accessed through Google Classroom using the class code 73AUMBO. In this video, you will learn how to install GeoGebra in your computer. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, GeoGebra 5.0, a free open source software, and free open source screen recorder software. GeoBoards. A geoboard is a mathematical manipulative used to explore basic concepts in plane geometry such as perimeter, area, and characteristics of triangles and other polygons. It consists of a physical board with a certain number of nails are driven in and around, which are wrapped geobands that are made of rubber. Rubber bands also can be used. Geoboards were invented and popularized in 1950s. Geoboards looks like this. When you want to convert any figure, for example a square, into a rectangle, we will move the rubber band from one vertex to the other vertex by dragging it. The same idea is used in GeoGebra. GeoGebra joins interactive geometry and algebra, tables, graphing, calculus, and statistics. The word GeoGebra comes from geometry, GEO, algebra, GEBRA. Both geometry and algebra ideas are used in explaining concepts in GeoGebra. Most parts of GeoGebra are free software available from www.geogebra.org. GeoGebra is written in Java and many parts of the GeoGebra have been ported to HTML5 by using the Google Web Toolkit. The journey of GeoGebra started in 2001 and GeoGebra has expanded their offerings to include an iPad and Android version also. You can download the GeoGebra app from Google Play Store also in your Android and iPad phone. But it is highly comfortable to use GeoGebra in laptop and desktop because moving and dragging using mouse is very easy. Let us see how to download. GeoGebra can be downloaded free from www.geogebra.org. You are seeing here there is an option called Start Graphing. GeoGebra can be used online by clicking this Start Graphing. You are seeing one more option called Classroom Resources. Classroom Resources can be used online by clicking Classroom Resources. You can here have 1 million free activities. It contains activities from elementary, middle school, high school and colleges. All are totally free. You can download them and use it in your classroom. Let us see how to download GeoGebra in our computer. Click App Downloads to download the executive file of GeoGebra. When you click this app download, you will get the GeoGebra apps listed over here: Graphing Calculator, Geometry, Augmented Reality, 3D Graphing, GeoGebra Classic 6 and GeoGebra Classic 5. It is recommended to download GeoGebra Classic 5 for better learning. Double-click the GeoGebra windows.executive file to install GeoGebra in your computer. The GeoGebra window executive file will get downloaded within 2 minutes. Once again I repeat, there are there are 6 GeoGebra apps available, but it is advisable to download GeoGebra Classic 5 because the interface differs from app to app. When you click this, double click that GeoGebra executive file, the installation starts. It will ask you to select the language. GeoGebra is now available in English, Hindi and many languages. Let us select English and click next to install. Installation will ask you to agree the license agreement. Click I agree to install GeoGebra in your computer. Better select the standard one as the setup type because it is having all the main features. Select standard and click install to install GeoGebra in your computer. Installation starts. It will take only minimum 2 minutes to get GeoGebra installed in your computer. It is completing the GeoGebra 5 setup wizard. Then click finish to start GeoGebra in your computer. Now when the GeoGebra got installed, it will have a shortcut icon on the desktop. It is in the form of a pentagon or a polygon where GeoGebra is written at the bottom. When you click it, GeoGebra opens now. Now you are ready to go to the home page of GeoGebra. We are ready now to explore GeoGebra in our computer. This is the first page, home page you can call of the GeoGebra, and it contains menu bar, toolbar, graphic view, algebra view, input bar and input help and so on. We will explore them in our upcoming videos. The person who removes a mountain begins by carrying away small stones. Okay friends, let us learn GeoGebra so that let us learn to lead. Let us have a quick recap of whatever we have seen. We have seen that how to download GeoGebra in our computer. GeoGebra.org you have to open. The GeoGebra.org, it contains an option to start the calculator. Online you can do it or your classroom resources. You have to click this app downloads and select this GeoGebra Classic 5. Download the executive file and install in your computer. Okay friends, let us learn GeoGebra to lead. Thank you.